We do a lot of work in cybersecurity, and from that we get educated on a lot of things. And as a small business owner myself, we were learning the differences between cyber insurance and crime insurance, which includes cybercrime insurance. I just wanted to sort of like cover off the differences between them and what risks your business might want to mitigate with these types of insurance. I would just initially speak about the purpose of cyber insurance, also known as cyber liability insurance or cyber risk insurance. It's designed to protect the business against financial loss resulting from cyber attacks and legal costs as well. It can sometimes cover legal costs, expenses associated with a data breach. You also get things like cyber extortion. We know that as ransomware, and that's when your data gets locked and held to ransom. There may be costs involved in releasing this data. So some cyber insurance policies will cover and help with that. Business interruption as well. So you might have loss of income because all your computers have stopped working for days or weeks. So you're going to incur extra expenditure because of this. You've also got things like reputation as well. The statistics are out there that small businesses with a significant cyber attack tend to fail within 6 months post cyber attack. So you do have to be careful with your reputation and how you handle it as well. And the insurance can help with that as well, with your public relations and management to mitigate your reputation and harm. You might get fines from compliance bodies as well. Coverage for fines and penalties is something that you might want to mitigate against, and cyber insurance will definitely help with that. Purpose of cybercrime insurance: it's covering a broader range of criminal activities, including those that might not be directly related to cyber threats. It provides coverage for financial losses, again, resulting from criminal activities. Now, these criminal activities could be within your organization. Employee theft of data is definitely something you may need to concern yourself with. That could also be things like embezzlement and fraudulent activity. So you do need to protect yourself against fraud. General liability insurance will do that, but then you just need to make sure that there is some sort of coverage in your policy for if it's a data or a cyber breach. The primary difference between cyber insurance and crime insurance is the scope of coverage. For me, in terms of decision making, you do need to probably look at both. While cyber insurance may include coverage for cybercrime, crime insurance provides a more comprehensive approach to addressing the various criminal risks in a business, things that may not be directly related to cybercrime, like employee theft or forgery. If you protect your business, you mitigate the risks, like with any insurance. For instance, if you've got a car and you park it in a garage overnight, you'll potentially get a reduction in your insurance premium. So the same thing can happen for cyber insurance or liability insurance, where you can conform to a standard. You can conform to Cyber Essentials or Cyber Essentials Plus. You could look at various different compliances. You could do information management through an ISO standard like ISO 27001. You can also do cyber awareness training for your team. All these things will actually serve to mitigate the risk before the insurance company looks at it. Think about putting your business in the garage. Think about making sure you've got your business locked or protected. Speak to your broker, speak to your insurance provider and say, if I go through the compliance for Cyber Essentials, will that change my risk profile? Will that allow me a cheaper premium? We've done a couple of videos on Cyber Essentials which can help you get a little bit better of an understanding of what it entails. So I think I even speak about the gap analysis that's done and give you a bit of guidance on how to do that. You can always click on this link for the video on Cyber Essentials. In summary, I think that businesses need to carefully consider the nuances between cybercrime insurance and cyber security insurance. I think people may choose to incorporate a bit of each in their liability insurance because that'll protect against a greater number of threats, digital and non-digital. I'm speaking from my experience as a business owner. To get the true handle on this, I would strongly recommend speaking to an insurance provider or an insurance broker. It's a much better way to actually look at the ins and outs of it for your business.